everyone. In this video, we are going to see how we can declare a variable in Python and what are the naming conventions to follow during declaring a variable. So, in order to declare a variable in Python, you just need to write the identifier and assign it any value that you want using the assignment operator, such as name is equal to John Doe, and consider creating another variable such as age is equal to 25. In these two examples, we have created two variables. One is holding a value of string and another is holding a value type of integer. Now we will see what are the naming convention that we need to follow while declaring a variable. So, firstly, the variable name can start with underscore. Second, it can only be of alphanumeric, such as A to Z, capital A to Z, and 0 to 9. Third is it cannot start with any number. And fourth one is it cannot be a reserved keyword of Python, such as print for while. Now let's see what are comments in Python. So anything which you don't want to run in the program is a comment. Comments are usually written to help other programmers easily understand what your code is about. So in order to write a comment, you just need to write the pound symbol, and after the pound symbol, whatever you write will not be run by the compiler or interpreter. So if I write hello there, I am running Python. It is a single line comment, and when I run the program, it will not be run by the interpreter. And in order to write the multi-line comments, you can select the values and just click the control and forward slash, and it will create many single line comments, collectively known as the multi-line comment. If you don't follow the naming convention, that what will happen? So if I assign a value dollar age or dollar gender is equal to male, and if I run the program, then you will get a syntax error. Then, because Python does not accept the special character in the variable name. So if I write it now it is working. So this is for today. If you like the video, smash the like button and follow for more. Thanks for watching.